Alright, so what we are going to be talking about today is musky lure color. And so basically, the way that I look at color is, so first things first, does color matter? I believe it does, but not all the time. So color is not usually the first thing I look at, but it definitely is important sometimes, because an instance is like, I've been in a boat before where two people are throwing the exact same bait in different colors, and one guy is getting action and one guy's not. Sorry. And so then I you switch to the same color and, you both start catching fish. I've had a lot of instances of that. And also, now we're going to get into how do you choose color. And basically, it either depends on water visibility or forage base. So here, I have a bait that resembles nothing on earth. This is a bomb. This is the Hooked on Musky Baits bomb in the Fire Tiger pattern. There's not a single color in here that resembles. For this skirt, I'm not sure how well you can see, but there's some red, some yellow, some green, all kinds of stuff, and then it has a bright green and a bright chartreuse blade. This bait literally has nothing to do with anything on this planet. It resembles nothing. And since I didn't have a natural colored bomb on hand, my tackle box is locked away right now because it's down in my shed. So here we have just a Suic. This is just a Suic. And as you can see, this color is kind of like representing maybe some kind of perch or something like that. I don't really know, but it represents something. So basically then, if you're just trying to choose like two simple colors, you don't have to do anything that has to resemble anything that, any kind of forage base or anything. Sometimes that helps. Basically, what I would say is get two baits. Get a light bait, like a light colored bait, like maybe some kind of white. Okay, for example, say I'm buying a bulldog, and I can't decide on what color to get. So, I really like the black and chartreuse, and I have the money to buy two different baits. So I love the black and chartreuse. I look over and there's a lemon tail color, which is a white with a chartreuse tail, just as the same as a black and chartreuse bulldog. So I would buy a black and chartreuse and a white and chartreuse. I wouldn't even go for anything that resembles anything, because I don't know, that's what it helps to just have a light and a dark bait. Or another thing that you can do is get a natural bait, such as a Cisco color. You guys I'm sure know that I like Cisco colored baits. Just go watch, I believe it's my last video, well, my last musky fishing video, and the musky fishing video before that, and you'll know I have a history with Cisco colored 7/8 bombs in specifically that color. So if I got two colors, I would choose a Cisco and a Fire Tiger, because I have one for clear water and one for stained water. So basically, there's a certain body of water that I fish very commonly for musky, and for some reason, those fish really... Sorry about that, we had a minor issue. I accidentally pressed stop. So, that's annoying. But, for some reason, as I was saying, for some reason in that particular body of water, those fish really like the color blue. And I don't know why, but it's one of those things, like if you spend enough time on a body of water, you're going to find out what the fish like. I've had a lot of instances where, I don't know, basically if I was going to a new body of water, I would ask a few questions, like is there any specific colors? Say if I walked into the Musky shop, something like that, and this is a completely random example, but say I am staying on, I don't know, for anyone who knows the Minocqua area at all, like, I don't know, Trout Lake, Lake Tomahawk, something like that. Not to throw up lake names, but I'm just kind of using lake names that everyone's heard of. If you were going to go fish those lakes, or something, like, you should probably go ask, like, I would ask a few questions. What depth of water are the fish biting in? What kind of baits should I throw? And is there any specific colors that you might recommend for that body of water? Those are just a few questions you can ask. I don't know. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm sorry I haven't posted a musky fishing video. I've been trying to put a musky video together, but I can't catch any dang muskies. So that's kind of been a little bit tough because I've been trying. I've been out for like 3 times in a row and I haven't caught a single fish. So I'm hoping that we can catch a muskie at some point. I was going to try to go musky fishing this weekend, but I had some plans that I was actually going to go possibly make a 2-day trip over in a different part of this, in a different area and do some musky fishing, but unfortunately that looks like that's not going to happen. But yeah, and also I was going to maybe try to get out in my family's boat and do some musky fishing, but we're buying an ice shack, so it looks like that's going to have to wait a little bit. Hopefully, I will be able to do some musky fishing soon. But until then, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and have a great day.